Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss atomic radius of cubic system. So in this video we are going to calculate atomic radius of simple cube, atomic radius of body center cube and atomic radius of face center cube. So first we will discuss atomic radius, which is indicated by R. So atomic radius, it is the half of the distance between two nearest neighbor atoms of same type or same kind. So it is the half of the distance between two nearest neighbor atoms of same kind. So first we will discuss atomic radius of simple cube, that is SC, simple cube. So in simple cube the atom is placed at a corner of cube. So atom are placed at a corner of cube. So edge length, so this edge length of cube is A. So edge length of simple cube is A. That is the distance between of two nearest neighbor corner of atom. So that is the A is the distance of two nearest neighbor corner atoms. So you can consider any edge, that is A. Atomic radius of simple cube is, so here we want to calculate. So this is the edge length, that is A. This is also edge length A. So here that A is equal to 2R. So that is the half distance of atom, that is R. So A is equal to 2R. So R is equal to A by 2. So atomic radius of simple cube is R is equal to A by 2. Now atomic radius of body center cube, that is BCC. In BCC, 8 atoms are placed at a corner of cube and 1 atom is placed at a center of cube. So here this diagonal AD, that is this diagonal element, this A, this is the here A atom is here, this D atom is here and this center atom is here. So AD distance is, so this distance of one full atom, that is 2R, and one half atom, that is R, remaining half atom is R. So that R plus 2R plus R, that is equal to 4R. So we can say that AD is equal to 4R. So this distance A to D, that is 4R. Now we will consider a triangle ABC. So triangle, here we have considered ABC. Here we want to consider the another triangle, that is the ACD, that is the ACD. But this CD distance we are familiar, that is the A, and this A to D distance, that is the 4R, but we are not familiar with A to C distance. So that distance we can calculate by considering triangle ABC. So that triangle ABC, so AC square, that is the AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to A square plus A square. So this is edge length is A, this is the A. So this AB, that is A, and BC, that is A. So here is AB square, that is A square, and BC square, that is A square. So AC square is equal to this addition 2A square. So this AC is equal to, we can write this square under root 2A square, or AC is equal to A under root 2. A under root 2. So consider a right triangle ACD. So now we are considering right triangle ACD. So that AD square, that is the AD square, that is equal to AC square plus CD square. So this is the AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. But AD, that AD, A to D, that is the 4R. So that is the 4R square. This AC already we have calculated, that is A under root 2, that is the under root 2A square, plus that CD, that is the edge length, that is A. So 4R square is equal to 2A square plus A square. So in bracket 4R square is equal to, this is the addition, that is 3A square. So 4 square, that is 16R square. So 16R square is equal to 3A square So r square is equal to 3a square divided by 16, or r is equal to, we can write, here is the r square and here we can write r is equal to a, this is the a under root 3 divided by 4. So this is the radius of body center cube. Now we will calculate, a formula for atomic radius of face center cubic, that is the FCC. In FCC, 8 atom at a corner and half atom is share each face of cube. So here we have considered any 6 of one face we have considered here. So this 4 atom at corner, so this is one, this is another, this is another, this is another. So this we have considered. So this A, B, C. So this is the A to C distance. So A to C distance, A to C distance, that is the R. This total atom distance is 2r, and this is R, and this edge distance is B to C distance, that is edge distance is A, and A to B distance, that is A. So this is the 4r and this is A. So we can write AC square. So this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So but AC square is, that is the 4r bracket square, is equal to AB, that is the A square, that is AB square, and this BC is A, that is BC square, that is A square. So this 4 square is 16r square. So 16r square is equal to this addition 2a square. So r square is equal to, we can write 2a square divided by 16, or we can write a square divided by 8. Therefore r is equal to a divided by under root 8. So that we can write a divided by under root 4 multiplied by 2, or we can write a divided by 2 under root 2. So r is equal to a 2 divided by 2 under root 2. So this is the atomic radius of face center cube. So in this way we have discussed atomic radius of simple cube, body center and face center cube. If you like this lesson, please like, comment and share with your friend. Thank you for watching this video till to end. Thank you very much.